Hey, what's going on? Yeah, so I figured I'd just make a quick video to show you how to add a QR code to anything. So you're going to go to the QR code generator.com and it's going to pull up this website, and then you can create different types. Most of the time people are going to want to create a URL. So you just go to whatever you want to select. In this case, it'd be my website, Control C. Come over here and then hit Control V. And then you can come over and change the colors and everything. So most of the time you're going to be putting it on a background that is colored. So you would just go ahead and make that clear, and then it's going to take whatever color you're putting it on. And then if it's a dark background, you're obviously going to use white, and vice versa. If it is a light background, you would just use dark. And I like to use the smooth one. I think that it looks better. It doesn't really matter which one you use. They're all going to work. And yeah, so then you'll just make that, hit done. It's going to be whatever colors you set it to, and then you can hit download and then name it whatever you want. Elevated Ideas website QR black, no background. Make sure it's a PNG file. That's gonna be with transparent background. It has to be PNG, so you'll always use PNG, it doesn't matter. And then yeah, you can 1000 pixels is fine. Hit download, and then yep, that's it. You've got your QR code here, and then the background's gray, obviously, so on that. But yeah, I've got a black QR. And then if I wanted to scan that, just come over, click the button with my camera app, and then you can see pulled up my website. Cool. Hopefully that helps you out. See ya.